a lot of new growth. But yeah, as you can see, all this is new growth here, and obviously these are all the relaxed hair here. Alright you guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time watching, hey, I am Lisa. Consider subscribing if you like this type of content. Also, don't forget to hit the bell like button, that way you get notified every time I upload a video. So today I am back with another rice water video. I did a rice water video a couple of weeks ago for the girls. I have been using rice water ever since last year. However, I've only been consistently using it this year, in the beginning of the year, and I use it once a month, every single month, and I have been loving the results that I get from using this rice water. As you can read by the title, obviously my hair is relaxed. I wanted to give it a try and see how it would react on my relaxed hair, and let me tell you, I will show you in a minute though, but let me tell you guys, the growth that I got from this rice water alone, mind-blowing. I just took down the braids that I had. I feel like every time I do the rice water rinse, I get some new growth, and it's just amazing, you guys. And I'm sure by the time I relax my hair, it will go all the way down to my bum, if not longer than that. No cap. No, I'm just joking. But I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not only using rice water, I am using other type of oils as well, and I'm also doing the aloe vera gel. I'm using that to like moisturize my hair, to keep it moisturized and condition it from time to time. I'm not getting as much shedding, and my hair feels moisturized, as of course with everything else that I'm using as well. So yeah, that is that. I'm gonna quickly show you how I do it. So before I shampoo my hair or condition my hair, I'll go ahead and spray it and just massage my scalp. I'll show you in a bit what I do, but I wanted to quickly talk you through that. So the only essential oil that I put in here was the peppermint oil. I also have my conditioner here. This is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Conditioner. A lot of new growth.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh my God.
Alright you guys, so I had to wet my hair because we cannot function with a dry hair. So I said with a dry hair, we cannot function with dry hair. I'm gonna part it. Okay, now you can probably see the growth a bit better. But yeah, as you can see, all this is new growth here, and obviously these are all the relaxed hair here. If I wanted to go natural, I could really just cut it here, but I just randomly part it because working in section is much better.
Memories might let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it.
Guys, fun fact. Well, it's not really funny, it's just a fact. I used to relax like my whole head, but I stopped once the back got really damaged, and like literally I didn't have any hair back here. It's literally just growing back. I was almost bald headed in the back. Like I didn't have any hair in the back at all. I always start from the roots and I'll go and massage the roots.
What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so cool.
I'm gonna go ahead and put on this processing cap and okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set the timer for 25 minutes, and then I'm gonna get back on here and show you what I do after. So yeah, alright, so the time is up, and so I'm gonna go ahead and use this Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Conditioner. This is pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my hair and then leave it on for another 20 minutes, and I'm gonna rinse it off. This smells so good. I think this is their new line. It smells so freaking good. I'm gonna use a generous amount. So I saw another YouTuber doing this method. Well, not this method exactly, but she was doing her rice water and then she applied, I think right after that she applied the conditioner. Her name is OTL Lachey. I actually know her. I'm gonna leave her video down below so you guys can check it out. So she was actually applying the conditioner after she sprayed the rice water, I believe. But I just went ahead and I'm doing it this way instead. Alright you guys, so I'm back. I rinsed off my hair, so now all I'm gonna do is spray with this aloe vera gel that I put together. It's just a little bit left here from yesterday because I was actually doing the girls' hair, and I use aloe vera gel regularly, 2 to 3 times a week. Sometimes I use it as a leave-in conditioner, moisturizer. This stuff is really good. It helps like moisturize my hair. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go in and use my raw neem butter that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna link anything that needs to be linked down below, any products that I mentioned or that I can find. And then I'm gonna go in with the Cream of Nature oil moisturizer, and then this other Cream of Nature day and night scalp and hair conditioner. I love this stuff. And last but not least, I will use this oil that I put together. It's just different types of oil. I'll have a video on which type of oil I use in another upcoming video. I'll have a video, yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much all I do. And then I'm just gonna put it into braids to wear my wig, because this time around I will be wearing wigs, so I'll just do a little protective hairstyle. So yeah guys, damn.